first award natin is the DJ's Choice.
DJ's Choice, meaning the songs were played on radio. At
yes.
ito siguro malamang ang maraming request. Am I right?
Actually, ito yung gusto na i-play ng DJ kung siya ang mapipiling
wow.
ng patugtog ng awitin. Hindi yung magkaiba yung request kasi ng tao.
Yes,
magkaiba naman yung gusto ng DJ. So we talked to a lot of DJs all over the country at ito ang naging resulta. Ang DJ's Choice ay tan-tan-tadan! Wala pala tayong gano'n. Sige, kaya natin mag-award si Jan. The winner is... Tense na?
Importante to.
Ayan. Pagbigyan mo na by Nino Domingo! At syempre ang composer nito ay si Yuri Isorio. Na i-award natin ay ang Critics Most Promising Song of the Year. Wow!
Wow! Sino ba ang napili natin?
Ganito kasi siya nangyari. We wanted to have a critic decide kung sino ang pinakamagandang kanta sa kanya with the 3 standards. Number 1, gusto natin ang isang very beautiful na kanta musically. Maganda ang interpretation. At ang huli-huli, yung commercial viability of the song. Dapat malakas siya in terms of recall, LSS, etc. So, ang ginawa namin, pinapili namin si Mr. Jim Paredes, si Mr. Jim Paredes.
That's a big deal, guys.
Yeah.
Diba?
Siyempre, si Mr. Jim Paredes mismo ang pumili ng ating Critics' Choice at ito ay pinili niya, according to him, ito yung isa sa, this is a great song, he said, easy listening, madaling matandaan. Ang ginawa ni Mr. Jim Paredes, he even had his apo join him.
Wow!
So, unanimous, ito ang napiling Critics' Most Promising Song of the Year.
Drum roll, please.
Good. Thank you very much for the drum roll.
Ang pinili ni Mr. Jim Paredes ay Anong Meron Ka ng JBL.
Yan na, meron na talaga. And let's now move on to our next award.
Before natin tawagin ang top 3, tawagin muna natin ang ating mga top 6. Again guys, this is actually ang drama. Nakakaiyak na gawin ito na i-cut yung contest into just 3 because I've worked with these kids and they're actually, I think they deserve the biggest break in OPM. But again, we have to decide kung sino ang top 3 natin. So tatawagin ko muna yung mga hindi nanalo so that they can actually get their top 6 trophy because guys, hundreds of people joined and they got in. And that is a big accomplishment.
Congratulations, guys.
Simulan natin sa para tayo anyway, ang ating kasama sa top 6, simulan natin with Archetype.
Congratulations, Archetype. And of course, they made it this far, diba? Yan naman talaga ang importante. Just being in the top 6, ibig sabihin na recognize naman po talaga ang kanilang mga talent. So great job, guys!
Ang susunod na top 6 ay ang Dream of Pearl.
Alright, Dream of Pearl! Congratulations, guys!
Congratulations, Dream of Pearl. At ang last na top 6 ay si CK Arca.
Great job, CK! Alam na daw, Sir Chris. So, ibig sabihin, nagmumula sa ating natitirang
Yung ating top 3 pwedeng pumunta sa gitna.
Sa gitna. JDK. Kanya-kanyang cheer lang. Good dynamics at Sinio.
May bad news kami. Napapansin nyo, isa lamang po ang trophy. There's only a champion.
Why don't I hand this over to you, Sir Chris? Ito na.
So sa palagay nyo, sino ang champion?
Palakasan na ng cheer.
Guys, walang second at third places.
Chris, 1 second lang. Why don't we do that thing that KA suggested? Tawagin natin isa-isa. Tignan natin sa crowd reaction.
Kung sino ang palagay nila.
Sige nga. Sino?
Tawagin nga natin si Nino Domingo.
Hindi ang talaga ang mga girls.
Si JDK.
We have 2 subscribers.
Ang Fifth Dynamics.
Sir Chris, nakakalito eh. Kasi may banda ka, meron kang boy band, may soloist. Ano gagawin natin?
Ganito kasi guys, pinahirapan tayo ng tatlong to.
I think we have a problem. Based on where I'm standing, it all sounds like pare-pareho yung impact nila sa tao.